Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.